I think the most fulfilling moment, I had to go talk at this high school. I'm kind of scared of high schoolers. Like, they're scary. Like, I was a scary high schooler. I left a business card on each of their desks, and I was like, if you ever have any questions or like need somebody to talk to about like your dreams or like passions. And I got an email like 3 months later, like I wasn't really expecting to hear anything from this girl, and she sent me this photo of a painting that she had done in art class, like, and it was like a replica of one of my paintings, and like wrote an essay about me and like sent me the essay.
Nice.
And I was just so stoked because I was like at least that day, like at least impacted one person, you know? Yeah, like when you ask me what's the most fulfilling thing of my art career, like art shows ran through my mind and, you know, those kind of moments. But I think it's more about the people's lives that you like, hopefully they'll remember that forever, you know? And like that means so much more than like an art show or like a big important job.